Welcome to Navkar. Myself Kadikar Maulin, Chartered Accountant, working for Navkar, and today I am going to have sharing of information about CFA course. Before I start with the CFA details, Chartered Financial Analyst, would like to give the introduction for the Navkar. Navkar was formed by CA Hitesh Shah sir, who is also cost accountant, in the year 1997. There are more than 10,000 students who have passed their CA examination from Navkar. From 2016 onwards, Navkar started giving services not only for the national renowned courses but also international renowned courses. It includes CPA, ACCA, CMA and other such courses. Navkar has very rich experience of teaching students, and there is a pool of faculty members under leadership of Hitesh sir giving best services to students. Coming to the point, we know friends that this is an era of specialization. May it be any field, there is always specialization required. May it be like the medicine field, engineering field or the commerce field. The area of the specialization may be accounts, may be taxation, may be law or may be finance. Yes, if at all you have interest in stock market, you have interest in banking, investment, portfolio, then this is what a degree which is going to give you a in-depth knowledge of the field of the finance, and you will be having a degree which is recognized by more than 140 countries of world. It is a degree which is managed by United States of America. However, it is valid across the world in more than 140 countries, and right now there are more than 1,65,000 members of this body. First thing that I would like to tell you is that what are the career opportunities for CFA. Friends, the CFA has in finance field number of opportunities that starts as a portfolio manager, investment consultant. You may work in insurance industry, you may have working in banking industry. Like that, there are various fields, and even you can become the CFO of any of the company. The top management of the companies are filled up with CFA. So the various fields or various work that a CFA can do includes portfolio manager, research. There are number of investment opportunities where to make investment. Consulting, risk analysis, risk management. The companies are facing day-to-day number of challenges. Investment strategy, asset management, private wealth management, commercial banking, investment banking and insurance. These are the various fields, and such other fields which are related to the finance are connected to the CFA. Friends, over here there are basically 3 levels. In these 3 levels there are 10 subjects that they discuss with us. In these 10 subjects, everything that you will relate is with the finance only. It is absolutely updated syllabus that we have, including the recent concepts like the blockchain accounts are included in the syllabus, so that anyone who is coming with the CFA degree will be well equipped. The 3 levels in that the importance of every paper is different. Initially, importance is given to some papers, and later on when you reach to the maturity level, importance is given to derivative, portfolio and such other things. Roughly we can say that once you pass your CFA, and it is possible within just 1 year of your graduation, yes, I am going to discuss that later on. Just within 1 year of your graduation also you can pass all the 3 levels of the CFA. Initially the salary is like 6 lakhs of rupees around. With the 2 to 3 years experience it will be 12 lakhs, and with 7 or 8 years experience it will be like near to 24 lakhs. And of course at any point of time, so you can have your own profession of the portfolio management consultancy, and in that, say, you don't have any limit. Portfolio management services that you can offer, and say sky is limit. This is the salary scale usually anybody who has passed the 3 levels of the CFA can get. And even you pass the 2 levels, after that you can go in the industry and you can have the simultaneously the practical experience. Now, you may be curious to know that, say, how can I pass CFA? For that, say, first of all, I am talking about the level 1 registration. Yes, level 1 registration. As I told you that, say, there are 3 levels. In that, when you are registering for the first level, you should be having either a bachelor degree, or otherwise you should be in the final year of your graduation. Graduation can be in like any of the form, may it be engineering, may it be science, may it be commerce or any other. You are in the final year of your graduation, or you have the bachelor degree, or otherwise you have the professional experience and the university in total, say, for 4 years. With that, say, you can register for CFA syllabus. That is CFA level 1 registration is possible. There is some additional requirement of the credit card of limit of at least 1 lakh rupee, and you need to have, say, international passport, because it is considered to be like identity proof. Examination will be in obviously English. Now the important point comes. Examination for level 1 is conducted for 4 times in a year. It is February, May, August and November. 4 times in a year examination is conducted. Level 2 examination is conducted for twice a year. It is February and August. And level 3 examination is conducted again twice a year. It is May and November. There are more than 1,65,000 members, and you can become a member once you pass all the 3 levels and you have the 4 years work experience in the field of the investment decision making. That experience you can have along with your CFA course, or it may be afterwards. Once you show that, say, you have the 4 years work experience in this specific field, then you can become the CFA member. As I told you that, say, it is like recognized in more than 140 countries. Those students who are likely to go out of India, any country, that is even it is US or outside US, this is a valid degree. You just imagine that, so you are going in any of the college, you are making payment over there of the huge fees, like the lodging, boarding expenses. In comparison to that, so this degree is going to give you, so the international exposure. The course is also designed in that way, and with that, so you will be able to get, say, this degree in a very short period of time. How within 1 year of the graduation you can clear all the 3 levels? I am discussing that. Suppose right now you are in the final year of the graduation, you can enroll for CFA level 1 examination of February 2021. When you have not cleared your graduation yet, but still for February 2021, so you enroll for the CFA level 1. You pass CFA level 1 and by the time you go for the CFA level 2 registration, your graduation result must have come and you can go for level 2 examination in August 2021. Once you clear your level 2 in August 2021, May 21, yes, within just 1 year of your graduation, you can become CFA, you can pass all the 3 levels of the CFA. The duration of the course has been reduced recently and a student can take advantage of it. The amount of the fees which you are required to make payment in dollar currency, one time payment you have to make of $450. Every time, say for the registration of the examination, you have to pay $700. They have kept 2 dates. If at all you register before a date, then it is $700, and after a date, then in that case it is slightly more, $1,000. For 3 level examination, if at all, let us take that $700 is the amount that you pay, then total comes to $2,100, and the total cost of the syllabus, total amount that you have to pay is within 2 lakhs. International degree within 1 year of the graduation and at so low cost, yes, you have to pay within 2 lakh rupees and you will be able to clear all the 3 levels. And I believe that, say, whatever you are studying, everything is going for only one segment. It is going in the only one direction, that is finance. Nothing else, nothing else. Economy and the recent, whatever the changes that take place are included in the syllabus. CFA passing percentage is also substantially high. For level 1, it is approximately 43%, for level 2, approximately 45%, and for level 3, it is as high as 56%. This is the passing result that we have. Really a fair passing result for even a student having, say, the average preparation can pass. At this point of time, examination centers in India right now, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Delhi and Pune. CFA examination is computer based test. Level 1 is entirely multiple choice questions, level 2 is entirely multiple choice questions, and level 3 has a combination of multiple choice questions and descriptive. The multiple choice questions has only 3 options for the question. There is importantly no negative marking, and in this you are allowed to use the calculator and you are allowed to use even the paper pen. Recently, in the COVID-19 and pandemic situation, there are certain transactional changes which I would like to tell to all of you. Right now, if at all you want to enroll for December 20 examination, then it is possible. If at all you pass your level 1 in December, then you can go for the level 2 in May 21 and level 3 in November 21. This is the transactional phase that we have. So in the month of December also, we have the examination this time, and this time the examination is going to be paper. That is, it is not the computer based, it is paper based examination. So right now, if at all you enroll for the December 21 examination, friends, then in the year 2021, you will be able to clear all the 3 levels of the CFA. change in the examination dates. If at all you have registered for 2021 examination, you can take examination in December 20 also. You can prepone your attempt. If at all you register for December 20 examination and due to government guidelines, you cannot take examination, then either you can postpone your attempt or you can take the refund of the fees. These are the contact details that we have, and at Navkara Digital Institute, we are providing full coaching, full guidance for all the 3 levels. Yes, for all the 3 levels, so the virtual coaching is available for students. This is what we have for the CFA course. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.